Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 ST Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7-liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in granite. It looks fantastic. You do got your grille right up there, and you do also have your halogen quad headlights right there with your fog lights just down there. Coming around the side here, we do have our 20-inch rims with our Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. Those rims look very nice as well. You got the running boards along the bottom as well as your heated exterior mirrors there. Coming all the way around to the back, you got a 5-foot box back here. You got your 4x4. You also have your backup camera right there and your dual exhaust pipes. Now opening this up, it does have the box liner on it, keeping everything nice and safe so it doesn't get all scratched up. Okay, we got our keys here, 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. You got your panic button up there, but let's unlock and take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have your electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there. You got your handle here, another handle here, and some storage just down there. Looks great in here as well. Very comfortable seats, very soft and nice. You also have the controls over your lights, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as if you press it in, you got your fog lights. And then down here, we do have our in-cabin light control. Right up here, we have the controls over our turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Okay, let's start up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have how many kilometers we have, only 32,000, not too bad at all. We can switch that guy in the middle around from our speedometer to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B. We also have our messages, screen setup, turn the menu off, and then back to your speedometer. That is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. Over here we do have our touchscreen display, so we do have our AM, our FM, and our Sirius XM all there, as well as our media tab if we have one hooked up through our Bluetooth, aux cord, or USB. You got your phone options here if you have one hooked up. You also have your compass, your settings, and your more, as well as you have your volume up and down. You have your mute, screen off, back button, and browser there. Down here we do have our gear shift, just like that. You have your 4-wheel lock, low, and 2-wheel there, and when you are in reverse, you have that ever-useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. Down here we do have our climate control, so the power up and down with the circulation, heat and AC. You got your hazard lights there. You also have where it's going to blow out of there. Down here we do have our traction control, tow and haul mode, and you also have a little bit of storage in there. Little storage containers here. And in the center you got 3 cup holders with your armrest that doubles as a storage container. Some coin holders there, as well as an aux cord and USB plug-in. Close that, lift this up. You got another seat under there. It does seat 6 people all together. Over here you got your top layer and your bottom layer glove boxes as well. Okay, let's take a look at the back. Open this guy up. On the door here you do have your handle, the control over your windows, another handle here, and some storage down here. Looks great back here as well, very comfortable. Same material as the front. You can also lift this guy up like this, and then you got some storage just underneath there. Got some cup holders over here, and you also have these little storage containers right underneath there. And there's our 5.7-liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2017 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.